If there is a voice within you that tells you that you are not good enough, then this meditation is for you. Take a few moments with me today as we rewire these old limiting beliefs. Close your eyes and sit in a comfortable position as you get ready to remember your true worth. Take a slow, deep breath in and gently relax as you exhale. Feel your entire body relax as every deep breath releases any stuck negativity from your body. Now, imagine that you are sitting on a beautiful beach. You can feel the warmth of the sun on your skin now. The fresh air breezing through your skin and the calmness of the water relaxing you even more. Now, you walk further ahead on the beach towards the waves of the sea. And now, as you stand near the waves of the sea, you notice that the water here is so clean and so crystal clear. Take a moment to enjoy this peaceful energy of the sea. Now, I want you to look at the sand next to you, and you will see that there is something written over on the sand. You notice now that the things written on the sand are the old limiting beliefs which you have been carrying since so long. Beliefs like, I am not good enough, I am not worthy, I am not deserving of success, or I am not deserving of happiness. These beliefs are something that are not true, but you've been carrying it for so long that you feel that it is true to you. As you see them written on the sand, you realize that these words are not your truth. These words are someone else's voice, someone else's story, someone else's pain, or someone else's hurt that you have been carrying knowingly or unknowingly. You now realize that these words and these beliefs are not your truth. They do not represent who you are. And as you realize this, you feel a readiness within you to just let them go today. And at this very moment, as you get ready to let go of these limiting beliefs, a wave from the sea touches your feet and begins to erase these beliefs from the sand next to you. You notice that the water is gently washing them away. And in a moment, the sand is clean again, free from the weight of the past negative beliefs and opening you to new positive beliefs. You feel a sense of freedom now. And now, I want you to sit down on the beach and with your finger, write these new beliefs on the sand as your positive beliefs now. With your finger, write them and let them speak to your soul. I am enough as I am. I am worthy. I am deserving of abundance. I am worthy of happiness. And as you write this, you feel so light. As you realize that this is your truth. You are worthy and enough, as you are, always. Now, gently take another deep breath in as you let these new beliefs anchor in your subconscious mind completely. Now, take another deep breath in as you get ready to come back to your conscious awareness, knowing that you can come back to this place anytime. So gently stretch your toes and fingers and very gently open your eyes. Thank you for choosing this meditation to let go of your limiting beliefs. Do like, share, and subscribe for more such meditations. Signing off with love and light. Thank you.